like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make phone charger holder. So let's get started. First of all, we will take your old mobile box. We have to take this upper layer. On that box I have drawn like this way. So let's cut this. So you have cut it. Don't throw this remaining part. We have to stick it here. So let's cut this square. So you have cut this square. We have to stick it here like this way. So let's stick it. So you have taken glue. So let's stick it. Now we will cover this. You have taken a paper. So let's cover it. And the box has been covered and a mobile charger holder is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.